Okay, what did they do with it? Fuck. Just friggin' had it. Okay. It's a shirt.
Oh, wow.
It's just for you.
Oh, look at this.
It's very nice. It's expensive,
Wow.
too. It's my picture.
I love this man. Does that make me
What's it say?
It says, I love this man. Does that make me a homosexual?
Very nice. That's a really nice shirt. That's not the only one. There's more gifts.